We in the motherfucking rack with it right here. Posted up in the hood at the tie shop. These niggas taking
films or am I smelling film?
They taking all day.
My shit smell like films, y'all.
Yeah, you need to close your vent, nigga.
That shit smell like bounce the fuck out that ass.
Look at that camera right there. Dude don't know what he doing with that bitch.
I don't know what I'm doing.
Fuck no.
Welcome back here, YouTube, stupid nigga.
Getting right. Yeah. These are tires you keep. Oh yeah, see? These racing tires, you can see how like soft they is on the sidewalk. Yeah, you don't want them?
How much you want?
Oh yeah, how much you want for them? How much you pay for them? Shit. Little tire shot. Look at him sitting over there on the motherfucking tire. Look at him, he's just sitting on the tire. Lazy ass. Look. Get your ass up. Yeah, get jiggy with it. I don't want to be finding old big ass machine. That's the new tire, ain't it? Every fucking day. Y'all hit that subscribe button. Hit that subscribe button. Man, life has been hard. Huh?
We go around the corner. That nigga in that bitch
Struggling. That fucking tire whooping his ass.
That bitch
Fucking him up. Them bitches clean right here. I like these.
Like this what?
I bet they only got 1 pound too. Oh shit, got a muffler delete. Ooh, you hear that pro charger in that bitch? Nigga got tires for days, son. These some good tires, boy. I need these bitches right here. I need them over yonder. Those the ones I need, you heard?
What you talking about?
I'm tired, you heard?
Oh, they're going crazy in Texas.
They got the snowflakes, replicas and shit. And they got a little sitting area for y'all. Every time feel different too.
Yeah. I see that much.
Yeah. These bullshit ass tires, them bitches box, son. I hate these tires. Nigga, it'll be dry as a motherfucker, hot as fuck. 60 roll, that bitch gonna spin, son. Feel them, son. They not them good spinning tires. They hard as a motherfucker. Ooh, them bitches hard, son.
I be outside on that nigga shit.
I need to clean them bitches too. He ain't clean them bitches, son. Them bitches got stains and everything.
You know why I asked you what color they is? Them bitches look silver.
I'ma plastic dip them hoes. I ain't tripping. Look at that camera. But it don't come out like that.
At all.
That shit don't come out like that. That whooping his ass, son. Ooh, that whooping his ass.
I mean, give my tire on, man.
He look familiar, son.
That's right, man.
What tire shop you used to be at?
The one on
Florida?
In Florida.
Yeah. And that bitch got shut down, didn't it?
Yeah, that bitch ain't even there no more.
Damn.
No, the one at the corner that they knocked down on Florida and Ardenwood.
Oh, talking about Hollywood? Oh, yeah.
Yeah, next to the gas station.
They got the new building right now. They about to set it up. I thought you talking about the one you did right now.
Fuck this cold. Damn, they got brand new tires back there. Check them out. I like them bitches. That's some nice tires. Need a 245 for 40. Oh shit. Too small.
Record this nigga.
He finna put that in the fire, huh? Uh-oh, shit. Better get gangster. That bitch might pop way over here.
Yeah, Fred James.
Be careful, dude. But that bitch won't seal up or something? Alright, that fucking car gonna come over there and knock his ass up.
Yeah, he ran it though.
I don't know what.
That ain't gonna work. You need brake clean. We ain't got that though.
Shit. Got some tires for days in this bitch. Damn.
Huh? Hey, you need brake clean.
What's my tire?
Fuck. Fucking lightning driving.
That motherfucker ain't going on there, huh?
Why do that?
Big ass rims.
Yeah, bro.
That's a wild motherfucker.
Yup. I don't know what you doing. Freaking ass.
You want that motherfucker?
Go fuck yourself up over there. That bitch on there now, huh?
Boy, pussy.
They got the other tire on that bitch.
Got me scared to know is that bitch even on it. Fuck that in the patch. Look.
Look, you didn't put it on the
Like, fuck. I get my shit right when I stepped off in the building.
Yeah, we've been at this bullshit ass tie shop. Fuck, I don't know how long, man. We finna head out right quick. I'm finna get y'all a little content. We finna go vlogging and stuff. You know what I'm saying? What typical YouTubers do. Looking at. Watching right now to this point, make sure y'all hit the subscribe button. Coming with straight heat for y'all boys. Y'all see me dropping bangers after bangers.
crying. Baby dad and I left. Yeah, my whole life has been hard. It's either eat or you starve. She gon' call me a child, but she can never let bond.